Today on Elizabeth Healthy Plate, I'm sharing one of my go-to meal, flavor-packed liver stew, served with tender potatoes and soft chapati, plus a juice orange to top it off. It's nourishing, budget-friendly, and absolutely delicious. If you have been avoiding liver, this recipe will change your mind. Stick around to see how I turned simple ingredient into a healthy, wholesome plate. Okay, I used a half kg of fresh liver, 2 medium tomatoes, 1 medium chopped onion, a half teaspoon beef masala, a half teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of salt, and of course potato soft chapati and an orange for serving. Start by heating a bit of oil in your pan and fry the chopped onions until golden brown. These bring out their natural sweetness. Sprinkle in the beef masala, turmeric, and a pinch of salt. Let the spices cook for a few seconds to release their full aroma. Now add your washed liver. I like to soak mine briefly in salted water to reduce any strong flavor and tenderize it. Mix everything well to coat the liver with those rich spices. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 20 minutes on low heat. This allows the liver to cook through and absorb all the flavors. Add your chopped tomatoes and cook for another 5 minutes until they break down and create a light stew. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and hearty meals every week. This is Elizabeth Healthy Plate. See you in the next video. And here is the final plate: tender liver, fluffy potatoes, soft chapati, and a sweet orange to balance the meal. Perfect for lunch or dinner.